Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. We're a local digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this video for you real quick to show you a few important things about your website and to show you what you can do so that you can get more customers and start outranking your competitors. So, as you can see, we are on your website, and the very first thing that I notice here is your website is not secure. So, that is the very first thing you really need to do, because not having a secure website can cause you a lot of problems, legal problems, branding problems down the road. So you want to make sure you get your SSL certificate, and get your website secured. So here we're on your website, and you have a really nice design website. But what I notice is you don't have a whole lot of content to go after those buyer intent keywords. And so the rule of thumb is your homepage should have approximately 1,500 words or 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're trying to target and to be able to rank for. Um, and a buyer intent keyword are going to be the words that customers are actually going to be searching for, to find your specific services. So they might be embroidery Chico or auto wrap Chico and things of that nature. So um, you need to work on your keyword strategy and your content strategy to help you in your ranking. Um, Let me show you your top competitor in Chico. Your top competitor for the vehicle wrap portion of your services is LRT Graphics. And they also have a nice website. But as you can see, they have a lot more content and they're going after those buyer intent keywords. So, in order to be able to outrank this competitor, you're definitely going to have to work on your content and keyword strategy, and you're going to need more content than your top competitors for each of the services that you have. Um, and unfortunately, even though you have a nice looking website, Google doesn't rank you based on appearance. They rank you based on the content and keywords. They have robots called crawlers that search the internet and they index each of your pages and they index your keywords in order to be able to rank you. So I want to show you this program. This is a program I use called Ahrefs, and it helps me to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, your domain rating, that's your entire website, is a 0.2 out of 100. So that's extremely low, which means Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that is 100% has to do with your content and your referring domains and backlinks. So you're going to need to have more referring domains and backlinks than your top competitors. And I'm also showing that you're only being indexed for 41 of your keywords. If we look at your competitor, you can see here that their domain rating is actually a 35. They have 138 referring domains with over 150,000 backlinks. And they're currently being indexed for over 800 keywords. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but the truth of the matter is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you need to have referring domains with backlinks that are relative to your services and your industry. And you want to make sure that they are higher ranking and that they do follow backlinks. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes it because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the websites are that are providing the backlinks, the more it's going to help you in your ranking. And when you get do follows, no follows don't do a whole lot for you, but a do follow will actually share the power of their website to help you rank quickly um, on Google. And so you want to go after those relative sites for your referring domains and backlinks. And taking a look at your keywords, I noticed that you are ranked in the first position in Google when it comes to your brand and your name, which is great. But as I mentioned earlier, you need to be targeting buyer intent keywords because not everybody looking for your services knows who you are and knows your brand, but they know the services they're looking for. So you need to be able to rank those services. And I noticed that you're doing well in embroidery. You're on the first and second page. But when it comes to your money makers, your higher revenue services, a lot of them are not even being indexed, which has to do with your content. So in order to be indexed for those keywords, you need to work on your content strategy, your keyword strategy, and then go after the backlinks and SEO. Your search engine optimization is what is going to get you to rank and help those customers to find you. And the last thing I wanted to go over was something called citations. So when a customer puts a search in Google, one of the first things they're going to see are ads. And the next section is the Google My Business page. Now, you guys may have a Google My Business page, but for your services, I'm not seeing you being ranked in the top 3. And in order to be in the top 3, you need something called citations. And that is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website. And having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. And you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors for each of these areas. And so as you can see for auto wraps, you're not in the top 3. And even in embroidery, even though organically your website ranks in the top 3, you're not here in the Google Map Pack. So you really want to be in the top 3 because 30% of your customers stop here and they don't even go to your website. So you definitely want to work on this strategy as well. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and you can do it yourself, which is completely okay because it's free education. I just ask that you give me some feedback on this video I'm providing. Decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it and do it yourself, go ahead and give me a call at this number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.